The book I'm presenting is one of my favorites from when my daughter was little. She's 24 now, but I still remember all the laughs that we had reading it. It's Kitten in Trouble by Maria Palushkin with pictures by Betsy Lewin. I'll read the book first and then I'll do my review. Kitten wakes up early and wants to play. He sees 2 feet, 10 little toes. The toes wiggle. Kitten pounces. Uh-oh, Kitten's in trouble. Kitten chases a ball. He sees a basket filled with roly-poly balls of yarn. Kitten pounces. Uh-oh, Kitten's in trouble. Kitten smells bacon frying. He sees some eggs. He sees some milk. Kitten pounces. Uh-oh, Kitten's in trouble. Kitten runs out into the garden. The sun is warm. The birds are singing. A butterfly flutters by. Kitten pounces. Uh-oh, Kitten's in trouble. Kitten pounces. Kitten runs home. Kitten yawns and takes a bath. Kitten washes his face and licks his paws. Kitten curls up and goes to sleep. Uh-oh. This book fits the criteria of a picture book because it has very simple wording with pictures that support and complement the story. The illustrator captures the essence of a real kitten in her artwork, perfectly depicting how such an adorable and innocent creature can be enticed to higher and higher levels of naughtiness just by being a playful youngster. The pictures show many characteristics that the simple words alone don't. The illustrations complement and enhance the story. They help to tell the story by very clearly showing the human's reactions to the kitten's antics. From the startled and then angry reaction of the boy when the kitten pounces on his sleeping toes, to the fearful anticipation as Kitten pounces on the kitchen table, and then the resulting dismay at the mess that he's made. The pictures also show that the kitten is energetic and looking for fun, but not getting in trouble on purpose or acting with malice. A description on Amazon says, the illustrator, Lewin, uses strong, sketchy lines overlaid with watercolor washes. She is particularly skillful at capturing the unswerving, manic energy of a kitten at play, and I would have to agree. Although the pictures of the boy and his mother seem to be stereotypical, with the boy in his blue striped pajamas and the mother in a skirt, I think it helps to show each character's role, and not necessarily that they couldn't be dressed in other colors or clothes, as is demonstrated in the crowd scene towards the end of the book. This book is definitely appropriate for children ages 2 to 5. The repetition in the book enables a child to anticipate what is going to happen next and allows young children to join in the storytelling. That was my daughter's favorite part, being able to say with me, "Uh-oh, Kitten's in trouble." The theme that runs through the book is one of a youngster brimming with energy, who is impetuous and playful. There is no malice or ill intent on the part of the kitten, just like most young children don't intend for negative consequences when they act on their pent-up energy. The end of the book is fun because it could be another beginning. It gets a child thinking about what might happen next, and with the last "uh-oh," children will almost automatically want to add, "Kitten's in trouble." This book has harmony. Its text is large, simple, and goes well with the story that the pictures tell. The pictures are colorful, somewhat abstract, but show enough facial and body expression that even small children can understand what the characters are feeling. This is an entertaining book for young children. Its appeal is the fun way the story is told, the playful pictures, and the opportunity for the child to join in the storytelling. It is especially fun if the child has had any experience with cats in real life, because they will easily see the similarities between what they read and what they've experienced in real life. I hope you enjoy Kitten in Trouble.